In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment in a Confluence page. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head to start.atlassian.com. Sign into your Atlassian account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left panel. This is where your spaces live. Select the space that contains the page you want to work on, and then click the page to open it. With your page open, you have a few simple ways to add comments, depending on what you want to say and where you want it to appear. If you want to comment on a specific phrase or sentence, highlight the exact text on the page. When you highlight, you'll see an option to comment. Click Comment, type your thoughts, and then click Add to Post-it. This creates an inline comment that's tied directly to that piece of text, making it easy for others to see what your feedback refers to. Another way to comment is to hover your mouse near a block of content, like a paragraph, a list, an image, or a heading. When you hover, a small comment icon appears beside that block. Click the comment icon, type your comment in the box that opens, and click Add. This is helpful when your feedback relates to a whole section rather than a specific word or sentence. If your feedback is more general and not tied to any particular spot, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll find an Add a Comment area. Click in that field, type your comment, and click Add. These page-level comments are perfect for broader notes, questions, or summaries. A quick tip for clarity: inline and block comments are anchored to content, so if the page changes, your comment still points to the right place. Bottom of page comments stay in the discussion area and are best for big picture feedback. Keep your message clear and actionable so teammates know exactly what you mean. If you don't see the comment options, make sure you're viewing the published page rather than editing it, and confirm you have permission to comment in that space. When you're ready, just type your message and click Add to finalize. Your comment will appear immediately and collaborators can reply or continue the discussion right there. And that's it. 3 straightforward ways to add comments in Confluence, in line with highlighted text, beside a content block, or at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.